Welcome to Payments Coupons. Underneath the coupon section, you have the ability to sort by all, active, scheduled, and expired. You can also search for coupons in the upper right-hand corner. Across the tab, you can see columns like name, coupon code, discount, start date, status, and redemption count. And let's click on Create a New Coupon. And underneath the coupon name, we can make anything we want, and then coupon code allows you to generate or type your own. You can customize this coupon code if you want to make it anything special. Coupon type, you can choose to be a percentage, such as a 50% off discount, or a fixed coupon, such as $25 off your product. You can choose the start date in which the coupon starts and the start time, as well as an end date and an end time for the expiration, if you'd like. The start date is the only thing required. You can limit the total number of times the coupon is redeemed if you want only a certain number of people to be able to utilize it. You can limit this coupon to selected products. So if you have a product in your account, you can choose that the coupon can only be used for that product. You can also limit it to one time use per customer. So if a customer tries to use the same email or same phone number underneath their contact record and tries to redeem the coupon, it will not work. Just note that they could try to use a different email. You can also apply to recurring or future payments based on duration or forever if applicable. If you have a coupon that has a recurring price or subscription set up in your account, then you could choose to only charge it for a few months or forever. Once you're happy with your coupon settings, you can click on Create. This will now show live inside your account. If it is expired, it'll show expired and this will turn red. If you want to test your coupon, it can be tested inside of payment links, it can be tested inside of your store, inside of multiple step orders or single step order forms inside of your funnel page. But let's take this coupon code here and let's open up a payment link underneath this page. We can click on this payment link and open it up. We'll take this coupon code, and underneath our coupon code, we can apply it. Now we see that the coupon discount is active, subtracting $25 off this product only. I've eliminated the ability to use this coupon for any other product except for product 1.